Wind Vintage was founded in 2017 by Eric Wind, former vice president and senior specialist for Christie's Watches, and is dedicated to offering exceptional watches at all price points. Windup Watch Shop has exclusively sold a curated collection of products from old and new brands, but never vintage items. Until now. Now you'll be able to procure a range of hand-selected vintage watches by Wind Vintage right here on Windup Watch Shop. Be sure to check out our ever-expanding collection of items over on windupwatchshop.com and now vintage watches as well.